Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about edit mode. To go to edit mode, press tab or you can select here, click on the object mode and we can go to edit mode. This whole video is about only edit mode. So delete this, you will get these and these options. So this is called edges mode, that we can select edges. And first thing I have to mention you, if you press here, it will only go. So just don't do that. Now, this is called facing mode. Face mode is so big like that we can go like this. Z and like that. Done. So let's delete this whole thing. And click on faces. Let's add an object like a cylinder to make an island. Now make it some bigger. And G plus Z. And make it small. G and actually we can press G, but it's so tricky, right? If we do it on this axis, it will go to this. So make sure to press G and Z. And S, and I'm saying a new shortcut called E. If you press E, you will get a new thing. The option is also here. And now press S. Go to this one. And E, S. And zoom it again. S. Zoom it so much. E. S. So E. S. So let's go back. And let's make the surface. Actually, make sure to go to face mode for this. S to make it bigger. Actually small. Like this. And add a cube. Shift A, cube. And small. Make it small. G plus Z. And it's flying white. Now go face mode. Select this, G and X. Here to G and X. here G and Y, here too, and here G and Z. And actually we want to make it like a cover inside here, right guys? So to make it like that, press Ctrl plus R. We can add edges, but go to only edge mode. Ctrl plus R, and we can scroll for multiple edges. So we need 4 edges. So select these faces and G and X to make it small. Here also G then X. This, this and this, and G and X. And select here, shift, and make sure to don't select that. G and X again, and you can see this perfect curve. Here also same, G and X. And done. Now shift right click, and we can move this 3D cursor and put it here. Press shift A Q. Make this so small and make sure to have it upwards. Next is G and Z, make it something. If you are in faces mode, go to edges mode. So done. S and X. Scale that down. And you have to scale this thing up. S and X. Scale it. And done. Again, shift right click and shift A. Q is where, and change this thing to this, and you will get so many of these things. Now make it small and select this. Go to X-ray mode. X-ray mode, we can X-ray mode helps to see through the walls. So that and that. And we can select multiple things in X-ray mode. Now scale it up, and done. G to grab and down the thickness. To down the thickness, we have to press S and shift Z. And there you go. Done. G and done for the extra mode. And there you go. And this is the cool looking style for this house. Man, it looks like more like a helmet. Okay. Now this new entrance for this. And I will make an entrance for this. To make an entrance, shift right click here and shift A, press on the cube, make it smaller and down the thickness of the cube, shift S, shift Z, and the thickness will be that small. And zoom it in and go to the faces mode, select this and G to grab on x-axis. Now this is the door and G and then up. G and Z. There you go. And done, guys. Now just set the place for it. So select this, all of this, and shift and select that, and deselect this thing. Now you can only do it with the moon thing here. So this one and done. A door, perfect door for this. Control Control right click and shift A, make a cylinder, make it so small. Now we are making the door handle, or just in case I need to shift A and UV sphere and make it so small, like here. And now that's it. Now control button and let's make a window. Shift A, add a cube, make it small. This is gonna be hard. And now press that, G plus X and done. Here also G plus X. And down here G plus Z. And done. And Control R to make some edges to look it like a window. Control R and done. So done. And this is looks like an unbreakable glass. Well, I will call it the unbreakable glass. And we have to put a flag up top in there. Here. So control right click. Actually shift right click. And shift A. Q, make it small. G to grab. And select the face. Actually S, shift Z. And make it so thick. And select this face. And G plus Z to make it up. Press Shift R. That means right click. And add plane. And add it like that. And make it white. Steady. And make it small. And shift middle click and zoom in. And R to rotate. Let's put it in on the correct way. Press R again. Rotate it. G on x-axis. Actually y-axis. And G on z-axis. Again. And make this good. And I'll go to this mode. Select this edge. G and Y. And let's add Control R and edge. Add an edge. And G to grab. Make it small like here. And G to grab and do it like here. And it looks like a wind pushing off the thing. So let's fix this little and fix it. Go to faces mode. Select here. Actually go to X-ray mode. Select these faces. And after X-ray mode, and auto rotate it. And G2 grab and put it there. And done. So it's perfect. Now let's make a tree right here. So control, actually shift, right click and keep forgotten the 3D cursor shortcut and shift A, add a cylinder as to skeleton, S and shift Z to the thickness, and G and Z, make it up, and shift right click, shift A, cone, G to grab, G on rear axis, and make it some down, and G to grab, make it on the correct mirror. So this is done, guys. So bye guys, see you next time.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we. Know that they ride or die.